She's been making excuses to avoid seeing you or canceling plans more often. Imagine obsessing over a girl who doesn't want you. Many guys make this mistake. The moment a girl acts friendly, they react like a dog chasing a bone. Have you no pride? Just because a girl is nice to you doesn't mean she's interested. Nothing is more embarrassing than chasing a girl who secretly finds you annoying. Do you remember when you made this mistake? Surely you're emotionally invested in girls who weren't interested in you. They actually wanted to get away, but you held on for dear life. Looking back, the signs were clear that she wasn't into you. She probably laughed about it with her friends. When you don't respect yourself, you deserve to be treated like a clown. But I don't want you to get hurt or be treated like a joke. That's why we'll go over 10 signs she's not into you. It might hurt your feelings, but this pain will save you from getting hurt by women later. Reason 1. You're texting more than her. Girls talk a lot. They can barely stop. If you're texting more than her, it's not only extremely feminine, but also shows you're very low on her list. If you're investing more into the conversation than she is, she doesn't like you as much as you like her. Did you really think you're the only guy she's speaking to? You're probably her third or fourth option, maybe even lower. Women tend to text a lot to the men they really want. If her replies are short, cold, one-worded, or brief, she's likely not that into you. Number 2. She talks about other men. Whether she's talking about celebrities or her ex, it's all the same. It's a clear sign she's not into you. Just block her number and move on. She's not worth your time. Number 3. She pretends. We all know girls lie when they're not interested. They'll pretend to have a boyfriend or to have fallen asleep when you last texted. Pretending is their first fallback instead of just rejecting you. Women are not as straightforward as men. If a woman isn't interested, she'll pretend to be occupied and say things like, "I'll let you know," or "I'll have to check my calendar." High-value men don't face this. For them, her whole calendar goes in the trash. She won't show any flakiness for an alpha male. Reason 4. She doesn't ask personal questions. Mystery is essential to attraction, especially for women. If she isn't curious about you, the odds are basically zero that she's interested. Most guys think they're having a conversation with a girl, but they're just talking to themselves. If she doesn't ask you any personal question and only gives lame replies like, "What about you?" she's not interested. A girl who is interested will want to know everything about you. She'll check out your social media or have her friends find information about you, and she'll ask personal questions on dates. Number 5. Distracted. If you're with a girl and she's constantly distracted by her phone, it shows a lack of interest and respect for you. Do you really think she's handling important matters on her phone? More likely, she's browsing social media or texting someone else. The best course of action is to calmly get up and leave while she's distracted. Number 6. She's on her phone around you. When a girl is always on her phone around you, it's a clear sign she's not that interested. She isn't some busy businesswoman. She's probably just looking at social media or chatting with others. The best thing to do in this situation is to calmly get up and leave. Number 7. She wants to meet halfway. If a woman insists on meeting halfway for a date because you won't, she's probably not that interested. Women have many options when it comes to men and always choose their best option. If you're not her top choice, she'll calculate how much she's willing to invest in meeting you. A woman truly interested in a man would go the distance to see him. If she's not willing to put in the effort, you're likely not her top priority. Reason 8. She never wants to be alone with you. If she always tries to involve friends when you're together, she's not interested. Women are good at arranging alone time with men they truly want to be with. If she's constantly bringing others along, she's not into you. Move on and find someone who genuinely wants to spend time with you. Number 9. Not excited when you ask her out. If a girl is truly interested, she'll be excited when you ask her out. If she hesitates, seems unsure, or doesn't show enthusiasm, she's probably not that into you. Women are thrilled when asked out by someone they like. If she seems indifferent, she may just be using you or not know how to let you down. Reason 10. Personal space. Women enjoy being touched by men they're attracted to. If she doesn't let you get close or seems uncomfortable when you do, she's not interested. A woman who likes you won't mind you invading her personal space. It'll actually excite her. If she pulls away, her actions speak louder than her smile. If she's uncomfortable with your proximity, she's not into you. By the way, if you want this type of content, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.